Bafana head coach Hugo has announced that he will leave his job as Bafana head coach should he not qualify for the Afcon with 2 games remaining. So yeah, he's playing on the 15th of November, which is this Friday, against Uganda away, and also a home game next week Tuesday on the 19th of November. So yeah, Bafana only needs 1 win from those 2 fixtures, or also even a draw can be enough should Congo lose one of their games. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of Hugo Bross's comments that he will leave Bafana should he fail to qualify for the Afcon?
You know, when we lose 2 games, 5 minutes after the game, I'm on the flight to Belgium. You can be sure of it. You can be sure of it. If we can't win, okay, Uganda, but not at home against South Sudan, I tell you, I take immediately the flight and you will see me never back again.